Click on the link below to get price. The Abestorm 264 PPD commercial dehumidifier is an impressive piece of equipment designed to tackle high humidity environments efficiently. With a capacity to remove up to 264 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier is ideal for industrial settings such as warehouses, basements, or large commercial spaces. One of the standout features of the Abestorm dehumidifier is its integrated pump, which allows for continuous drainage without manual intervention. This feature is particularly useful for prolonged use, as it eliminates the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. The included drain hose simplifies the setup, allowing you to connect it directly to a floor drain or a sink, ensuring that moisture is disposed of automatically. Portability is another strong point of the Abestorm 264 PPD. It comes with heavy-duty wheels and ergonomic handles, making it easy to move between different areas of your workspace. This flexibility makes it suitable for various applications, whether you're dealing with water damage restoration, construction sites, or simply maintaining optimal humidity levels in large indoor spaces. In terms of performance, the dehumidifier operates quietly compared to many industrial models, which is a significant advantage in work environments where noise levels need to be kept to a minimum. The user-friendly control panel is easily navigable and includes settings for humidity levels, fan speeds, and a timer, allowing for tailored operation based on specific needs. The construction of the Abestorm 264 PPD is robust, ensuring durability and longevity, even in demanding conditions. Its ability to function effectively in temperatures ranging from 33 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit makes it versatile enough for different climates and situations. Overall, the Abestorm 264 PPD commercial dehumidifier is a reliable and efficient solution for anyone needing to manage high humidity levels in a commercial or industrial environment. Its combination of high capacity, portability, and ease of use makes it a worthwhile investment for maintaining optimal air quality and preventing moisture-related issues.